Congratulations on creating your ad account. Now let's look into payment methods for your ad account. Let's dive in. So payment methods, this is where we stopped last time. So you're just going to click continue from there and click on add payment info. So in payment modes, there are two types, regardless of cards, UPI, net banking or anything. There is prepaid and postpaid. I would show you a way on how to get into prepaid. I would definitely advise you against having a postpaid account, because there are chances of your budget being expending a lot more, and then you won't be in control of your spends in FB ads. So yeah, location and currency cannot be changed because that is connected to your ad account. So each ad account will have different payment methods. So if you have some, probably you have another business a franchisee or a business branch in different countries, so you can have the country and region selected while you were setting up your ad account, and this would be frozen over here. You go next, and business and tax info. So that's good news. If you have GST, you can take the GST credit. So you can select the state. This is where you enter your business name, the legal name. That's where initially in the first example that I gave was Dumbbells Private Limited. If you have a private limited or a public limited or a proprietorship, so whatever legal document that you have, or your PAN card, what legal name is mentioned on your business PAN card, not your personal PAN card, your business PAN card or your legal name. That's what you enter over here. And you have a GST number, enter it, right? And yes, you are buying this for business purposes, right? So I'm going to check this, and I'm going to save. Right, so my tax info is set up, and my location and currency is set up while I was doing the ad account. And here I can select, what I would suggest is, the first time you're doing a transaction, for to make this a prepaid account, you choose UPI, and you transfer very minimum of 10 rupees or 100 rupees, and then you can go to next, and set it up as a prepaid account. But if you set up a credit card account, it would convert into a postpaid account. So initially you will have to add funds. You can add funds later on when you are confident enough to start running ads. But for now, to set this account and make it ready for the next processes, you can add 10 rupees or 100 rupees. Okay, it says 40 rupees minimum, so yeah, 40 rupees, and then say next, and then it will take you to your payment gateway, where you can, that is through for pay you money. So where you can set up your, again, please do it through UPI. You can enter here, you can generate a QR code, and it should get done. So once that is done, you should get confirmation that the payment is successful, and you should see 40 rupees in your account. So that's about adding payment info to your ad account. Thank you. See you in the next one.